Hello, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Alex?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, Germany. I was there last summer.
Really? Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it. Your country is beautiful.
Thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from France.
France. I want to go there one day.
You should come, but not now. It's too cold.
Oh, okay. When is a good time to visit?
Spring or summer? The weather is warm and sunny then.
Good to know. Maybe I will go next year.
Great, I'm sure you will have a good time.
I think so too.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, I want a coffee. How much is it?
A small coffee is $2.95. A medium is $3.45. And a large is $3.95.
A medium coffee, please.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, can I have oat milk?
Sure, oat milk is 50 cents more. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. Your total is $3.95. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay, please wait for your coffee over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee. Hello, I want a watch.
Okay. For a man or a woman?
For a man, for my husband. A digital watch.
Okay. Look at this watch. What color does he like?
Gray.
This gray watch is nice. It has an alarm.
How much is it?
It's $50.
Oh, do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, but it is not gray. And it has no alarm.
That's okay. He only needs the time.
Okay. How about this one? It's $30. It shows the time and date.
Good. I'll take it.
Hey, can I talk to you?
Of course. What's up?
I have a crush on a guy. But I don't know what to do.
Oh, tell me about him.
He's nice and very funny. We like the same things. I really like him, but does he like me?
You should tell him.
But I'm scared. What if he says no?
I understand. But maybe he likes you too.
Maybe.
And if he says no, it's okay. Better to know now so you can find someone else.
Okay, got it. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Good luck.
Henry, I hear you have a new job. Congratulations.
Yes, I do. Thanks, Anna.
When did you start?
I started last week.
And do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. The office is great. The people are friendly, and my boss is very nice.
I'm happy to hear that. I hope you learn many new things.
Me too. I will try my best. Hello, I have a problem with my car's brakes.
What is happening?
They're loud and the car's pulling to the side.
Okay, when was the last time they were checked?
Maybe 1 or 2 years ago.
That is too long. You've got to stay on top of that for safety.
I know, I always wait too long.
Okay, don't worry. We can look at it.
Great. When will it be ready?
We are very busy today, maybe in 2 days.
2 days? Oh no. Can you please do it today? I really need my car.
Everyone is always in a hurry.
I get it, but my wife will kill me if the car is broken again. I'll be sleeping on the couch.
All right, you win. I can fit you in after lunch.
You're a lifesaver, man. Thank you.
No problem.